We're going to show you how to replace a lift bar spring. Sometimes you get a door that won't latch or it has play in the lift bar. If that is the case, you will have to replace the lift bar spring. The entire door will need to be removed and placed on a work surface. First, you need to remove the side tracks completely. Then, fully unroll the door. Next, you need to lock the operator of the door by putting a 16-penny nail in the end block. You might have to adjust the operator slightly by twisting it so that the two holes align. At the top of the curtain, the T-clips need to be removed. Take the curtain down and set it on the work surface. We recommend having 2 people for this. For demonstration purposes, we have a sample door we're going to show you how to do this on. We're going to start off by removing the end blocks from the bottom rail. Once I've removed my end blocks, I'm now going to remove my bottom rail from the door. Now we can remove the pivot rod so that the springs can be replaced. Using my punch, you see the pivot rod starting to come out on the other side. Take out my punch. Use another tool. Move your pivot rod. Once the pivot rod has been removed, the lift bar becomes loose and the pivot springs now become exposed. I'm going to replace them with, I'm taking out the old and I'm going to insert the new. There's only one way that these springs go in. And I'm going to reinstall the lift bar back onto the bottom rail. After I've done that, I'm putting my pivot rod back into its hole. I'm going to test my lift bar to make sure I have spring. After I've done that, I'm going to reinstall my pivot blocks. Now, before installing the curtain back onto the bottom rail, you want to leave one side off, okay? Then I can install my other end block. Then you want to make sure, again, just to re-emphasize, you want to make sure that these, the hardware is flush, because this is the part that goes up and down inside the track. Now we're going to go to reinstall the door onto the truck. Make sure that the straps are even and reattach the door to the T-clips. Ensure that the door is positioned over the rollers. Next, remove the 16-penny nail and allow the door to roll up slowly. Last, reinstall the tracks on both sides and check for smooth operation. It's just that simple.